Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, check it. Rising up as I'm dusting off these ashes, making some space up on this canvas. No matter what, I can hack it. No, rising up as I'm dusting off these ashes, making them base up on this canvas.
Yeah.
No matter what, I can hack it. No,
I've been waiting for this, like a bride and groom waiting to kiss, making it bliss. Grab the microphone and leg it rip, bullets and clip, golden with grip. Never will I ever, never slip. Yeah. I'm shooting out music for peaceful like a monk Buddhist. Attack my tempo, homie, and I'll show you how I do this. I told hip-hop, yo, will always be the truest. Truth is, most of these rappers acting like Judas. Sticking to my ground, and you won't ever move this. Arizona, rather when I strike, I'm the rudest. Teaching and clueless, I'm the sensei, all my students. Reaching and choosing, revolution with my movements. Never sell out, I'd rather spread my brains out. I need my music big, so I drew my veins out. They act like they don't know who's a microphone back go. The raw radical, animal, catapult, call me Hannibal. Let's do the spoken word version of Forever Rising. Alright? Alright, DJ, done. Go in and cut that. Alright. Y'all feeling us or what? It's real hip-hop. Y'all know the 4 elements of hip-hop? Shout out one if y'all know one. Breakdance. Second element of hip-hop. MC. Over here on this side. Third element of hip-hop. Shout it out. Graffiti. And the last element of hip-hop. DJ. Round of applause for hip-hop. See, now the interesting part about hip-hop, I like to break it down as, realistically, hip-hop is a way of living, all right? It's music, but it's the way you live, okay? When I get on the microphone, and I've been hosting this whole event, this is the way I act at home. This is the way I do at work. This is the way I eat, live, and you know what the rest is. Hip-hop is a way of living. All right, I want you guys to remember that. Hip-hop's a way of living. It doesn't just happen when the microphone's off or I step out the booth and then I'm a completely different person. No, hip-hop is a way of life and I take it to heart. So, bring it down, Forever Rising.
Forever rising, forever rising, forever rising, yeah. Oh, forever rising, forever rising, forever rising, rising, rising.
Sobre de los zapata, el ignorance te mata. Stop killing each other, ya basta, mi gente sagrada, honrada, pero los tratan como si fuéramos ratas. Rest in peace to my data, peace to my rosters. I'm giving you the truth before they give me the boot. They want us activists to steam on me like the saber tooth. The root of our evil is blinding most of my people. That's one of the reasons why they killing most of my people. I'm cutting through evil, you already know my stilo. I'm sharp like a steeple, hasta la muerte, mi people. My ignorance is almost gone, I call it the bald ego. We're all human beings, so how the hell are we illegal? The truth that ceased to exist is lost in the gliss. The Patriot Act is twisted and twist, lost in the mist. Like Nelson Mandela, Holmes, I always resist. Por la revolución is the reason I'm clutching my fist.
Forever rising.
Don't just rise to the beat.
Forever rising.
We gotta rise to our feet.
Forever rising.
We gotta rise to our feet. We gotta rise to our feet. We gotta rise to our feet.
Oh, forever rising.
We gotta rise to the feet.
Forever rising.
Don't just rise to the beat.
is a price. Lace up my sneakers, keep it marching till I'm getting it right. Grinding my way to the top, dodging haters to the top. Keep my swag game tight while I'm shaking them off. Yo, I'm rising to the top, from my family to the top. Now I'm loving my life, cause all these mountains keep crumbling into place. And now I'm loving my life, cause all these walls will rebuild again and be replaced. Just need my dream by my side, gotta do or die trying.
Yeah, thank you.
Bird City, thanks for having me out. Thanks for everything. Vpro, thanks again. I'll see y'all on the next one. Appreciate it.